Joining us now, and you're watching the potential for severe weather for some of us.
Yeah, there's already one severe storm now that's been moving out of Mason County and through Llano County. These storms likely to form just ahead of this cold front. Now, I know you think cold front, you think heat relief. Well, this front's not going to move through the entire area. It's just going to stall roughly here. It may move east slightly, and storm potential just out ahead of it. And that's where we're seeing our storm that has popped up in Mason County and now moved into Llano County. And if you're just joining us, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for much of Llano County, including the city of Llano, until 6. Tracking the leading edge of the heavier rain that precedes the thunder, lightning, and hail. You can see when this storm will be arriving in Llano, at least the heavier rain at 5:19, Bluffton there at 5:47, and then in Taos at 5:55 if it continues on its current path and intensity. At least the hail size has been coming down a little bit from earlier looking like about 1.5 inches in diameter, now closer to 1/2 inch in diameter, although it's possible it could bubble back up again. This is how the storm looks from our Llano camera. A little hazy out there, in fact hazy all over the place here today. The combination of high humidity plus some of the agricultural burning in central Texas is making for a hazy looking sky. Now our computer model is not perfect with the location of these initial storms, but at least the coverage looking like what we can expect going into the evening, as 10 to then 20% of central Texas sees some storms. So most of us will not see storms here this evening, but you get the general idea. Northwest and northern areas have the potential for some brief severe weather here through the night tonight. Williamson County, Milam County also included, as well as the hill country where we're already seeing storms. Looks like as we approach midnight, storms wind down and fade away, and that new severe thunderstorm watch for northern portions of the area does end at midnight. Some low clouds to start your Saturday, just like what we had today. Then the sun comes out, and then yet again, some thunderstorms could form in the hill country. Thinking about 30% of central Texas could see some rain and storms tomorrow evening. Some of those could be strong or severe, and we can't rule out Austin getting a little bit of rain tomorrow night too, although far from a guarantee. Another hot day. We're at 98 right now. We'll be dropping in to only the middle and upper 70s to begin your Saturday morning, very warm, then heading for 98 again tomorrow afternoon. So not triple digits tomorrow, but very close to it. And when you factor in the humidity, it will still feel like 100 to about 106 or 7 in some spots. So isolated storms possible this evening, some of which may be strong or severe. Overnight lows getting down to 76, increasing clouds overnight. And then tomorrow, a 30% rain and storm chance late afternoon or more likely the evening. Before that, though, clouds in the morning giving way to a sun cloud mix like today on a high of 98. Similar for Sunday, except the rain chances are lower at just 10%. The severe weather risk tomorrow, it's a 1 out of 5 just northwest of Austin, including western Travis, much of Williamson County, and southern 2/3 of the hill country. Then it jumps to a 2 out of 5 for northern portions of the hill country. Large hail, damaging wind, the primary concerns there. Severe weather risk is lower on Sunday, but it is a 1 out of 5 for parts of Llano, Mason, San Saba, Lampasas, and northwestern Gillespie County. The lower coverage of storms and also the lower risk of severe weather. Rain chances at just 10% on Sunday and Monday as we tie record heat again and again. And then rain chances up a little bit Tuesday ahead of our cold front. That should bring us some heat relief as we drop into the lower 90s with 60s at night and lower humidity.